good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the Bruce channel. I'm going to talk about the AI generated image. Now, I believe most of you already watch a lot of friend maybe sending a so-called image that have a figurine of themselves in front of a computer and a box that writing Bandai. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do it if you still don't know how, but I believe most of you already know the thing called nano banana, maybe the name from something like Tong 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 Sahu stuff, because the names sound like nano banana. Okay, well, the nano banana is a generative image from Google, so that's why you can easily access from Gemini, not the third-party website or something. I believe some of them link you to some like third-party generated AI that use the background of nano bananas as an API. You can straight away go into Gemini. That's what I'm talking about. But before we generate that, if you are trying to make your own picture, you can put your own picture, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to generate maybe a virtual person. Let's generate a Korean girl, maybe a girl. Well, image, maybe pose or maybe artist, maybe those in let's say, well, don't judge me, I'm Asian. I'm doing Malaysian. A lot of people like Korean, so I'm just generic anyway. So this is how you so-called generate an image. Then basically you type the prompt and you wait. I'm going to not going to speed out. I'm going to just let you wait it. Yeah, you get. Oh my God, this is it's really sexy. I should remove the text of sexy. Maybe I like to. Yeah, updating, make it more normal. Yeah, the picture will be covered. Yeah, now come back to this. It's the same thing. You just need to wait and wait. Whatever change you're trying to do, it will make you wait. This is so-called AI generated. Yeah, this looks more nature and bright. Yeah, so I'm going to use this image. So yeah, so what you normally do is you copy a prompt from others, then it automatically generate with the screen or with a box something. But actually you can generate your own. You can generate your own prompts by writing different thing. Just reason because of the realistic of a computer got a screen showing the Blender software, and this is my version. You can see I can change the name of the thing and I can add a brand it, and you can see the video is sponsored by 3D Forger. Yes, this video is sponsored by 3D Forgers, which means as a 3D printing company that recently annoyed by a lot of people sending this AI generated image asking for 3D printed figurine. Yeah, I'm going to explain how it works in latest. Maybe next video I'll teach you how to actually prepare the 3D printable models to really make your own figure the real way. But today I'm talking about the image generate and the video. I just realized I hit the 3 video limit per day, so I cannot generate just now the image I generated, but I can show you what I generated this morning to try it out. So this is the last picture I made. It's still same thing. You have a box of the product, you have the 3D printer behind, but normally people would like to use the computer, and you have a lady figure in front. The lady is also generated by AI, so there's no offense to any other face. So I have another prompt and I created myself. Then you can have this video. This is like
beautiful, but this is not real, and it can't be 3D printed.
So you see the video is like the hand holding the lady, the figurine, then rotate around. Seem like it is real 3D, and it even talk that say, okay, this is not a 3D, but because I type the caption, so actually talk about it. So this is very simple by using Gemini, and in the tools with the create video with VO. That's it. It's no effort. You just need to pay for the pro account. So what is next? When you look at this, it looks awesome. So can I make it in the real world? As a professional 3D printing service provider, I can say yes, we do have access to full color 3D print, but with a video it's not going to work because you need a 3D model with the right mesh, with the right texture on top. That is a bunch of works. So it needs time to build every single one. From the aspect of generate the image and video so easy. I don't think everyone is ready, have an expectation to find artists to make the character in the real world. So I had to say, if I can do something for next video and try to figure it out, to try to show you guys how it works, and give you some tutorial like how actually prepare the files to go 3D printing with the simple method. I still cutting down the process. If it works, I'll post maybe today, tomorrow, next day. I will update the videos. So give me a subscribe, and I see you next video. Bye. That's it. While I'm still here, bye.